Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Lobbying Tutorial Series. This video will explain when and how to renew your lobbyist status with the MEC. Missouri lobbyists must renew their registration and pay a $10 fee annually to continue serving as a registered lobbyist. Complete this process each year between December 1st and January 5th. To begin, log in to the Lobbyist electronic reporting system. Starting December 1st, a message will appear at the top of the screen, indicating that the registration renewal period has begun. Click the link to get started. You will be taken to the final review and submit page. Simply review your lobbyist information, registration type, employee information, and principal information. To update or correct any of the information listed, click Edit. Proceed through the sections and make any necessary changes. Once your registration is complete and accurate, click Agree. You will then pay your $10 renewal fee. The system will automatically direct you to a secure vendor to pay your fee electronically with a credit card, debit card, or electronic check. However, you may choose to pay your fee by mailing payment to our office. Remember, to complete your registration, our office must receive your filing fee by January 5th. If you do not renew your registration by January 5th, your status as a lobbyist will be terminated, effective December 31st. You will still be required to file the monthly report for expenditures made in December, due January 10th, regardless of whether your lobbyist status is renewed. Failure to file this report on time will result in a $10 per day late fee. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will demonstrate how to file the monthly lobbyist expenditure report.